we're going to see a presentation to the board of directors by Tiffany Sweitzer, who's been on the board for a good many years now. According to the Trimet website, her term is up. So I would imagine she won't be there next month. Who knows? Anyway, my opinion about Tiffany after watching her all these years is, there were occasions where the woman actually showed some heart or tried to show some heart. Was it a scam, a put on, a phony, like all of them do up there with their little phony presentations? Sometimes it actually felt like she was being genuine. But somebody like Tiffany Sweitzer has no idea what the life of a transit-dependent person is, or what a transit-dependent person faces, or even what a regular transit commuter faces on Trimet, because she doesn't ride it. She owns properties all over the streetcar line. The woman is part of the 1%. Okay, the 1% have authority over the 99. This is a good example of it. How is she possibly going to understand the plight of the transit user when she comes from the 1%? And she is a 1%. And so what? She's got a nice personality and all that. That doesn't, if you don't have any concept of the world of the other people, what are you doing on a board like this? Anyway, I've seen worse board members than her, that's for sure.
For a Finance and Audit Committee report.
Thank you, Director
You're so
Warner.
welcome.
Okay, so we met this morning and we actually had quite a bit that we talked about. Transfer study was the first that we looked at, talking about schedule and status. And so an analysis is underway, as most of you know and have already talked about. Staff will be meeting with OPAL. I think some dates have been given out to provide an overview. And our goal is, as a board, that this be brought to the board and discussed at the next full board meeting. So we'll be looking at that more closely and hopefully closer to making some decisions. We also talked about the service restoration, which it's a good topic, fun topic to be talking about. We looked at a chart that was given to us of just bus restoration, max restoration, the specific lines, when those could occur. And we have asked staff to go back and give us some timing so we can associate some dates to this, as well as costs overall. So when we start to look at our strategic finance plan, we can start to determine, okay, if we're going to increase service and it's this much, what may we be losing out on or not, depending on the overall discussion. So 3 big topics this morning at our meeting: transfers, service restoration, and of course how those all fit into the overall strategic finance plan. Board member Prosser and I have spent quite a lot of time with staff starting a roadmap for the finance plan that we will be sharing with you shortly, and talking about what our strategy is going forward and how we can help ourselves long term. So that's all I have. Craig, you want to add anything?
You covered it well. Thank you.
Thank you.